Cześć and welcome again to another episode of Mango the Kitchen. For today's recipe we're gonna continue with the post, the Lent. And there's a special recipe, a sweet that it's a traditional Maltese sweet that it's only served during post. And it's called Maltańskie Ciasteczka, wielkopostne. Kwarezimal in Maltese, which comes from the Italian word Kwarezimal, the fourth day of the Lent post. It's a very old recipe from Malta. It's very basic and very simple, so you'll have no troubles to make it either. And the ingredients are fully, and the ingredients you can find them easily here in Poland too. So there's no issues with the ingredients. So with that, let's start. So first things first, I put the oven at 190 degrees Celsius, so it starts warming up. 200 grams of almonds, and we roast them a bit. While they're roasting, we need the rind of 1 orange and 1 lemon. So we need to put the flour, the sugar, one teaspoon cinnamon, a few drops of orange water, the lemon and orange rind that we just grated, we need to grind them a bit into pieces, not ground, just a little. There. Put with the rest, a bit of water, not too much. Also around 2 teaspoons cocoa, you see it's like almost a pastry dough. Now you roll it into a long cylinder, and I cut it into equal pieces, or at least I try to. Get a tray with parchment paper on it. Now we'll put them in the oven that we already preheated at 190 degrees for around 20 minutes. So by now the Kwarezimal are ready. I'm gonna take them out of the oven. while they are still hot, I have some honey, which I melted it a bit so it would be easy to spread. And we start by doing that. Ideally, if you have, you would use the Maltese honey that tastes like wild thyme, but gone are the days that you will find it even in Malta. You'll be lucky if you manage to that someone gives you some of the pure Maltese honey. I have some ground pistachios and some almond flakes, which I'm gonna put on top. Now the reason they're meant for post, Lent, is because of the time of the Knights of Malta. One of the things that you couldn't eat during Lent was dairy, which is eggs. That's why this recipe has no eggs. And sugar was considered as something of a spice. It came later that you couldn't eat sugar in Lent. Now we'll let them set until they're cool, and we'll meet again for the final update to see how they came. So, there they are, the Maltańskie Ciasteczka, wielkopostne for the Lent, Kwarezimal, the Maltese ones. As you saw, they're very easy, quick to do. You just need the right ingredients and it's done. And you cannot feel guilty that you're having a sweet for your post. They go deliciously well with a cup of coffee. So thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe and share. Again, thank you very much and see you in the next episode. Bye.